welcome to another episode of, yes, you guessed it, Space Engineers Survival. As always, I'm Solar Wind, the incredibly handsome. Anyway, you saw last week, and I kind of figured out what went wrong, other than me setting up the controls really shitly. Like, I set up the controls bad. I figured out why I keep doing that. I don't know why. I didn't put it on to shoot. And this ship got shot to pieces, and now you can see the extent of the damage. Our entire reload weapons relay is being disconnected. And basically, so has, well, every bit of conveyor. A lot of this is being destroyed. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 10 small ship generators, which is 10 times 300, 3,000? And that's still not even this, that's not even the equivalent of one large one, and you need 10 of them. You need 100 of these suckers to make. So they got a bit of damage. Is that a large one in there? I know that's an oxygen tank or something. So we're going to be painting this the good old-fashioned pink, I believe it is. Yeah, let's go control click. I really can't see. I should put my light on. Okay, all this is getting painted good old pink. Oh yeah, right. I put those thrusters on, and I've later haven't realized that I have two. Whatever, I have armored thrusters on now. Everything should be pink. If it ain't pink, it ain't done. Don't paint the station pink. Okay. Careful. Okay, I can... Ah, crap. Ah, shit. Double shit. Go. I painted it pink. Just trying to avoid doing that. Here we go. Pinkify. Everything gets pinkified. Okay, everything is pinkified. To know that it's an unpiece of junk that never should have existed. Nah. I got a new prototype, though. I'm going to call it the prototype. Because I like the idea of calling it a prototype. Until it proves itself worthy of not the name of something better. Till it proves itself worthy of combat, it is not. But giving the name of a prototype. I did actually name it, but it's not really a good name. Anyway, we're going to need something that can do this. So, let's just chuck a friggin... let's go over here. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to chuck a landing gear down. Landing, you know, I think batteries have like a tiny bit of power in them when you first put them down, which is what I'm going to take full advantage of. I have no fucking components, goddammit. Okay, just give me some steelies. Hey, where are all my steelies at? Oh, goddammit, I have to manually type in everything every time. Steel, do we not have steel plates? How do we not have steel plates? Oh, we have a lot of them. Why can I hold so many? I know it's a good thing that I can hold so many because I turned the damn inventory thing up, but still. I'll have to put those back. Projector. Alright. Let's just check a battery down while we're at it. Batteries have like a tiny bit of power when you first place them for reasons. We'll check a projector on top of that. And that will weld up, and then we can get the blueprint of that later. Yeah, fuck you. Just go into the system. Now, we might have to put a control panel on that. I didn't really think that through too much. Oh. Anyway, the new prototype is awesome. And wait until you see it. off with my helmet. Wait until you see the beauty of the prototype. But what we're going to do in the meantime is make a bucket load of ammunition. Bucket load of ammunition. Get back here. Aha. Let's get productivity. How do I set this up as, okay, what are we missing? We are missing magnesium powder. Why do I not have magnesium? You know what? How do I'm missing magnesium, huh? Okay, let's go. Inventory. Oh, fuck. I hate this shit. Mag. Wait, do I have magnesium? Where's all my mag? I have 34 kilos of mag. This one's got 56 magnesiums. I have a shitload of... What? I got magnesium for days. I'm just messing with you. I don't know. I have a 95, 91 point. Productivity. I'm still missing magnesium. I know. I'm missing everything. Silver. Okay, I'm going to go get more magnesium and silver. And I'll be right back. Okay, we just got attacked by something. Something that just blew up the friggin' hole in our base. Hold on, I'm gonna go fix it. How do I not have any steel plates? Friggin' all the times not to have steel plates. Jesus Christ! That could have broken something. We need turrets. I do not have any. That's what I'm gonna do with Tim. I'm gonna set up some actual, how do I say this? Turret. A script that basically allows us just to keep making ammo. So I'm going to have a look at how to do that with Tim. And I'm going to do that using my extra monitor so I don't have to Alt-Tab. And I'm going to... Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. We were drifting a bit because of the explosion, but I think it didn't. I'll have to extend. Oh god, it got the sensor. I have to manually open stuff. There might be a hole in here. Oh, fuck off. Oh no, this sensor's just broken. What? Okay, that sensor's working. Okay, hole heap of yep, we've definitely got hit. I gotta check for more holes. I don't think anything valuable or important. Someone just kamikazed our damn base. Jesus, the whole thing was shaking a second ago. Okay, that room's good. Room 1 and 4 are good. I gotta make sure there's no loss of pressure, cause, you know, in anywhere. Okay, actually, I could probably check that on the... Yeah, because those are clearly sealed off from this room. Jesus, that came out of nowhere. I really got to get the script. Oh, where's my airlocks? This should actually tell me straight away. Leaking air 8, so air 10, leaking. Oh, Jesus, I got everything's leaking. Okay, here we go. Oxygen's coming in. I think apart from the floor and the sensor, because it's heavy armor, I don't think anything else got through. But Jesus, that was scary. Okay, so I'm going to go have a look at how to do that. Let me just go over here. Tim. Hold on. I'll be right back. I will figure that out later. I don't really know what to do about that. Alright. Helmet. Where is my, Oh. Okay, that's either fallen off or... I'll have to check any outer damage. No, it doesn't seem to be outer hull damage. Not leaking. We've got all the thrusters look intact. Forwards, that's why we stopped spinning, I guess. Slowly but surely. So it doesn't look like we took any major damage. That would have been thanks to a bit mainly due to our shield weather damp and heavy armor, which is minor. Um, as I said, we were probably going to make something eventually, and if we find out what that something is, we're going to make a better, how do you say, base, eventually. And then 9, a projector. That should be building soon enough. And we will get started on that big ass space we were going to make. But first we need an attack ship, and we need this area secure. Like, we need this area secured. Like, that drone came out of nowhere. I've armed up the turrets with some ammo. It seems for the moment I'm going to have to manually make ammo, but that's not too bad. I got 95 missiles. Do I have any Gatling turret ammo? I should have some Gatling gun turret ammo in here somewhere. Come on, we need to be heavily armed. You know what? I'm just going to make a whole bunch. Mainly Gatling turret ammo. That seems like... So, what's this one? Ammo container. This one, I think I'm going to make a bunch of this. Make a bunch of these. Good old Gatling gun. Ammunitions. Okay, I'm going to put a control panel on you. There's a good reason. I think the battery is going to work how I think it is. I don't know if this is actually going to work the way I think it is, but let's hope it does. Battery's got like tiny bit of juice, and we only need that tiny bit of juice, or we might have to put a reactor or something. I don't have components for the reactor. It's the reactor components I'm missing. Projector, okay. No, do we not? The battery has zilch. Okay, so it does. I think there's a way around this, though. I'm going to stick a solar panel on here. I'm smart. See, I found my workaround. I didn't want to put a reactor on there, mainly because I don't have the components right now. Yeah, I've been getting all the resources, but if I keep forgetting, I need stone, which makes gravel, which makes reactor components, which is a little letdown. But it doesn't matter, because in the future we're going to have a better base. It's not going to require as much reactorium. I need construction components. Jesus, I got steel plates. Con. Chuck you wherever. I should see. Okay, here's construction components. So we're going to stick these on. Stick these back in here. Okay, that solar panel has power, which means everything has power, which means I should put this battery on semi-auto. We're going to go projector, blueprint. We're going to go... I'm going to do this properly. I'm going to turn off every build and repair system. Build. Off. So every build and repair system is now currently off. The reason for this is very simple. I don't want to project... okay, so I called it Death, just so I could... something like that. It's not a permanent name, but it was just so I could find it. No, Killer, that's what I called it. I called it some stupid name just to, meanwhile, while I find it. If you like this ship, put it... Oh, damn! I know, it's just so sexy. Oh, god damn it. I know it's a really... Jesus. Why is the landing gear floating? That did not go as planned. There's nothing to stop it, is there? I'm gonna go... I'll be very... And we're back. That was annoying. I just basically painted it. Show my auto. Let's go try this again. Okay. Yes, we have control. Okay, let's go projector. Let's just put this up. Vertical axis, like, really up there. Where the shit is it? Okay. That's still in range, right? Yeah, that should be in range. Okay, let's go control panel. Repair system 1 and 2. Back online. Get my ship built. Oh my god, the sexiness. Oh, it's so sexy. I think that's in range. Oh, check this out. Oh, I gotta look at the build and repair system. Build. Repair. Missing item 0. I don't know. What is it? Does it have... I don't think... there's a button that I'm supposed to set. Hold on, do I have projection mode on? I think collect. Like, I know I can build stuff, but I'm not sure if... Okay, my area is good. Let's have a look. Looking, flight mode's on, all good, use ground color, 316. All these settings look very interesting, blah, 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 blah. Okay, right now, let's just go show area for the time being. Yeah, that blueprint's definitely in the area. Okay, let's see. Let's turn that off. Perhaps it's like the same logic of when you weld something. Oh, god damn it. I gotta stop doing that. This is heavy armor too. Oh, Jesus. You know, I'm gonna switch that over to light armor straight away, so I don't place it. Because we don't have a lot of resources to waste on it. Ah, man, I have to do this manually. Now, as you can see, this ship is so sexy. It is just the sexiness. The pitiful... Oh, god damn it. Why is that floating? Literally. Pillar that's... Can you weld the blueprint now? Okay, I made a blue... Yes! I did it! Ah, so it works the same way. Our guns have ammo in them, so they should be ready to rumble if something tries to sneak up on us. Jesus, if we didn't have our shields, that damage would have been pretty bad too. Like, I repaired it, but that's what we have this sexy beast for. And yeah, as you can see, it is all kinds of sexy. Oh, that should literally be the name of this thing. I should call it the Sexy Beast. This thing's awesome. Nah, but it is pretty nice looking ship. And I know it looks very similar to the design of Wasted Space's sort of fighter jet, with the sideways wings and all the thrusters. Very similar, however, this one's got atmospheric, the armored atmospheric and armored ionic thrusters, which output a better thrust than the fusion armored thrusters thrusters. So both of these have better outputs for each kind of thruster. I think we're going to have a problem. I'm going to go have to get reactor components, so I'm going to have to go get stone. That will be back in a while. Okay, so I do have the stone now, which is really interesting. This is getting all weldy updated. As you can see, it's getting all welded updated. It's very similar to the Wasted's tactical fighter that he made, which was basically the sideways wings to decrease drift. They provide an upward lift. They still provide upward lift, but they also end up, because they're placed sideways, decreasing your drift, allowing your maneuverability to be increased. And he played around with a few different variations of this design. Now, it wasn't my intention. I actually did hundreds and hundreds of designs, and I kept pulling them apart and putting back together because I didn't like the aesthetics, or I couldn't fit everything I wanted in there with the aesthetics that I was using, so I kept pulling it apart, putting it back together, and this is what I ended up building after I finally had, 300 or 400 different design phases in the few hours I spent on this, until I finally got something I really wanted, and this is what I want. It's got everything. It's got a connection point at the back, nice and easy. It's got these nice ass wings. It's got the gyro town, really removable. It has got the rocket launcher, my biggest accomplishment. We've got the 3 Gatling guns of hell. I like that. We've got thrusters. We've got 2 jump drives, so this baby can jump anywhere. We've got a reactor here, a reactor there. Like I said, I do have, I'm going to actually go make sure that stone's being processed by chucking it in. I was going to chuck this in a refinery so I know it gets processed. I know Tim Auto does it, but it'll take a bit longer if I let Tim Auto do it. So it'll get done eventually, but I would have to AFK or something for a while, so I'll just chuck it in there. I'm still going to have to AFK for a while. So after this is going to be built take a while, so I'm going to end it here. This is what we were trying to build the entire episode. We finally got it built. Aha. Now, but in all honesty, I've got some resources. I've built the machine of awesomeness, as you can see here. And next episode, we'll be working on something very clever, probably a speed build. We're going to be working on an awesome space station-looking space station armed to the teeth. I am going to arm the crap out of it. Like, after the explosion, I'm not going to have there's not going to be enough guns on the thing. I need more guns. I'm just going to have so many guns, it's going to run out of, I'm just going to run out of space to put guns. That makes sense. Did it do it? Did it weld up properly? I don't think it did. Ah, shit, the blueprint. The battery died. Ah, damn it, son! The projector, didn't it? Ah, yeah, the projector's out. My power source is gone. Oh no, I blocked out the sun. God damn, that so makes sense, but still. I blocked out the sun. Why? I blocked out my only form of light source. What the frig? Go away, floating block. Hey, do I have steel plates now? I need construction components, okay. I'm going to go place a bunch of these so I can get some more sun. Yeah, I'm going to go place them. I'm going to go place them in the middle of the thing. As I said, I was ending up the episode. I'm going to go do a few bits and bobs. I'm just going to make a really long pillar. Okay, this has been another episode of Space Engineers. Next time, base building, speed, make an actual space station looking thing with arm to the teeth.